Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. Hope everyone's doing great today. So today is a video that I've been wanting to make for a while, but I haven't really had the good opportunity to do so. So today we're going to be talking about color sealing. Now, a lot of people don't even know this exists. So in this video, I'm going to do my best to show you guys what color sealing is and if it is right for you. Now, in essence, color sealing is basically just changing the color of grout line. Now, I know that doesn't really sound appealing, or you wouldn't think it would make a big difference, but it makes a huge difference. And today, this job here is going to be a perfect example of that. Now, this tile was color sealed many years ago. It is since kind of worn off, and we did do a cleaning on it, and it kind of peeled off some of it else. So we're going to re-color seal this bathroom here. So, without further ado, let's show you guys what I'm talking about. So before we go actually into the house and look at the tile that we're doing, I want to show you guys these, which is actually what we use to do the color sealing. So they're kind of really cool little things. The paint here goes in the bottle, as you can see, and then it has kind of a brush head here. So as you squeeze, the paint comes behind the brushes there, and you're able to paint in between the grout lines. Now, these look the same, but they're actually different. They have different size heads on them, depending on how thick the grout lines are. So these little things are actually fairly expensive for what they are, but they make it go a lot smoother, and they do a great job and stay right within the line. So these are kind of what we use to do the color sealing. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Got it here. All right, so this is what we have here. So you can see in certain areas here, this is where the existing color seal was, kind of here. And then this is the true color of the grout, is actually right here. So when you look at it, it looks splotchy dirty, but it's actually because of the flaking off color seal. So we're gonna redo this whole bathroom, and it's gonna turn out really, really nice. So we're also gonna be doing the same thing here to the second bathroom. So this has just been cleaned. It is important to have the tile cleaned before you do the grout lines, because what happens when you put paint over dirt? Well, it doesn't stick, and that is a big problem that some other people who come in, they don't actually clean the grout before they do the color seal, that is definitely not the right way to do it. So we got this one all cleaned up. I'm going to rinse this, do the corners, and then this one will be ready. Go over here and see how Sue's doing.
Hi.
Alright, so Sue's down here working.
I just started
there,
okay.
so
I'll kind of give you an example. I just started doing this. But see the color difference?
Yep, so there's the color difference already. So it'll be quite the transformation
When it's all done.
said and done.
Yeah,
Yep.
just started, so.
A few moments later.
All right, so small update. So we're about halfway done with this bathroom. It definitely is very tedious, and you need a steady hand. So here's what we're looking at so far. So this is not done, and that over there is done. So you can see what a difference it kind of makes here between what that and that looks like. So it's definitely a steady hand. There you have it. So it's definitely a steady hand, but it's gonna look really good when it's done.
12 seconds later.
All right, so we're all done with this bathroom. It's still wet, so we'll probably dry a little bit brighter. But there you have it. So totally transformed the look of this bathroom from the dark grout to the lighter grout. And it looks really nice. So we're gonna go work on the other bathroom now, and we'll be in good shape. All right, been about a half hour now. She's all dry, and there you go. So that's gonna wrap up this one, guys. So if color sealing is something that you are interested in, let us know. You can check out our website, our Facebook, our Instagram. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this helps explain what color sealing is, and if it's right for you. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll catch all you guys on the next video. Peace.